don't you try again, because remember, we don't have zombie brains. We have fireworks.
Can I try typing now?
Sure, why not? Remember, when you transfer, close it, hug it, love it. Oh gosh, why do you have food near your computer? We're not supposed to, remember? We're not supposed to have food, water, or drinks by our Chromebook. So can you please get rid of it and put it in your desk? Good job.
This is not even any better at all.
Remember, I have fireworks. Dr. Maniac is going to be coming in tomorrow and the past other weeks, in the next weeks, because he's going to teach us about writing and prefixes and all sorts of things. So, we'll all have fireworks.
Well, I didn't do good at the beginning, but now I'm doing better.
Wow, that is great.